More initiative. Our mission this year is to focus on not only the football aspect of the development of the kids, but the education. So it's really important for us to let them know that education is the only way that they're going to get far. Further than what their abilities can provide for them. My message for all the local student athletes is, to put God first and believe in your abilities and believe in your ability to learn. I'd like to give a big shout out to the Paul Mahler Foundation and the Fox Island Initiative.